Welcome to GreeksLab, a platform for building and backtesting 0 days to expiration option trading strategies. In this guide, you'll learn how to create complex multi-leg strategies, set up entry and exit rules, and run your first backtest. After registering your account, you'll be taken to the strategies page. At first, it will be empty. To begin, click the New Strategy button. To get you started, whenever you create a new strategy, we generate a default setup for you. You can edit it to your liking. A strategy consists of backtest settings and one or more position templates. To run a backtest, you need at least one position template with a defined options combo, along with entry and exit conditions. For the purpose of this guide, I will clear all default settings to start from scratch. First, let's give our strategy a descriptive name. Click on the name to edit it. I'll call this Iron Condor Strategy to describe exactly what we're building. A clear name makes it easy to find later when you have multiple strategies saved. Next, configure your backtest parameters. These settings determine how your strategy gets tested against historical data. Set your date range. I'll use the past year. Initial capital starts at $100,000, but adjusts based on your account size. Commission and slippage settings represent real trading costs. Even small amounts like $1 per contract significantly impact your results over time. Choose a descriptive position name and the underlying. Position templates are the core of your strategy. Think of templates as the recipes for your trades. A position template includes the definition of the option legs to trade and rules for entering and exiting or adjusting the position. You can have multiple templates in one strategy, each with different settings and rules. Now for the exciting part. Building your position legs. Each leg represents one option you'll trade. For an Iron Condor, we need 4 legs. Sell a put spread and sell a call spread. Let's start with our short put. Click Add Leg to open the leg editor. Here you configure the leg details. Name it Short Put. Set the action to short, select put, and choose how to find the option using the selector type and value. The selector is crucial. It determines which specific option gets traded. You can select by delta, like a 16 delta put, by strike distance from the underlying price, by percentage out of the money, or by fixed premium amount. I'll use delta for precise risk management. Here's a powerful feature. Linked legs. These let you create legs that are positioned relative to another leg after it has been selected for trade. For our put spread, I'll add a long put that's always 10 strikes lower than our short put. This maintains the spread width regardless of market conditions. Let's complete our Iron Condor by adding the call spread. I'll add a short call with 16 delta, then add its linked leg for protection, 10 strikes higher. Now, we have a complete Iron Condor. Sell the 16 delta put and 16 delta call. Buy protection 10 strikes away on each side. Entry rules determine exactly when your strategy opens positions. You can have multiple entry rules, but only the first one that meets its conditions will execute. Let's create a simple entry rule. Open position at market open, but only when it's not a Federal Reserve decision day. Click Add Entry Rule to open the rule editor. Name it Market Open Entry. For conditions, we'll use the condition presets. Add market time equals 9:31 a.m. and Fed day equals false conditions. This ensures we avoid high volatility Fed announcement days. For open position action, select the multiplier. The multiplier scales the entire position. I'll keep it at 1. Management rules control your positions while they're open. Just like entry rules, a management rule is a combination of conditions and an action. Action for management rule can be close position, close legs, or roll a leg. Let's add a profit target. Close position if profit is greater than 50% of the premium collected. This books profits before they disappear. Now, add a stop loss. Close if loss is greater than 200% of premium. This limits our losses. Finally, add a time-based exit. Close 4 hours before expiration to avoid gamma risk. Unlike entry rules, multiple management rules can execute, and they run in priority order from top to bottom. You can drag and drop rules to change their priority. If condition presets are not enough, custom expressions provide the flexibility needed. Custom expressions are incredibly powerful to define complex conditions for an action. This flexibility lets you implement sophisticated risk management that goes far beyond simple stop losses. For example, here's a complete trailing stop loss rule. Close position if current P&L drops more than $200 from the maximum P&L achieved during the trade. This locks in profits while giving the position room to breathe. Before running our backtest, let's quickly review what we've built. Our Iron Condor strategy will run over the past year, starting with $100,000 in capital. The position template includes 4 legs, short 16 delta put, and call options with 10 strike protection on each side. We've set an entry rule to open at market open, avoiding Fed days, and added management rules for profit taking, stop loss, and a time-based exit. Everything is configured. Our strategy is ready for backtesting. Click the Run Backtest button to start the process. You'll be automatically redirected to the results page where you can monitor progress and view detailed performance metrics as they're calculated. Now, let's take a quick tour of the backtest results page. This page is organized into several tabs, each designed to help you analyze your strategy's performance in depth. The Overview tab provides a high-level summary, including key performance indicators like total return, daily win rate, average P&L, and core risk metrics, equity curve, drawdown chart, and underwater chart to visualize your strategy's behavior over time. Returns heat map and daily P&L distribution to reveal patterns and volatility. At the bottom, you'll find a detailed table with comprehensive performance and risk metrics. The Insights tab helps you analyze how your strategy performed under different conditions, such as market environment, position structure, and timing. Use this to identify rules or improvements that could enhance your results. The Positions tab lists every position simulated during the backtest. Clicking on any row opens a detailed view with intraday position performance charts and trade-level activity for that position. The Daily tab presents a table of daily performance data, giving you a day-by-day breakdown of returns and drawdowns. The Strategy tab shows a read-only snapshot of the strategy exactly as it was when the backtest started. This is useful for reference if you later modify the strategy settings. This concludes the basic tutorial. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos as they are released for more advanced concepts. Now it's your turn. Build, test, refine your strategy, and trade with confidence.